Hey guys, welcome to SVB Creative. This is Ashiti. Thanks a lot for stopping by. It really means a lot to me. Today I'll be showing you all 5 different DIYs for lips, and most of the products used in this DIY are like natural, and the other ones are easily available in the market, which is like very affordable too. So let's get started. So the very first thing we are going to make is DIY lip scrub. So for this you need 2 tablespoons of sugar, white sugar or brown sugar, both would do, it's okay. And we need half tablespoon of olive oil, half tablespoon of coconut oil, half tablespoon of honey. All these 3 ingredients are very good moisturizers, and sugar is a very good exfoliator. And now we need to add half tablespoon of lemon juice. Lemon is very good bleaching agent, so it helps to reduce the darkness of the lips. So mix all these ingredients together, and you can apply this on your lips twice a week and exfoliate really well. It helps to reduce the dead skin from lips and helps to make it more supple. So next DIY is a lip moisturizer. So this is very good for people who are very like chapped lip. For this you need half tablespoon of olive oil, half tablespoon of coconut oil, half teaspoon of honey, and again like few drops of lemon juice actually, and 1 capsule of vitamin E. You need to cut that vitamin E capsule and take the vitamin oil out of it, and mix these ingredients really well. This is a very good moisturizer, especially if you are if you want, you can use it during the night time. It's really safe. There is no chemicals anything like that, so it's really good for your lips. If you want, you can keep it in refrigerator and it will be in a very solid form. Only thing, you need to keep it in refrigerator all the time and use it like that. Next thing we are gonna make is a DIY lip tint. It was really interesting to make this actually. So I'm taking half a tablespoon of rose water. You can even take plain water, it doesn't matter, whatever it is. And now you can add food color to it. So you can take a liquid food color or like powdered food color, whatever is available with you, and just mix it really well. So that's it guys, you can apply this with Q-tip and it just gives a very nice tint to your lips. It's really nice guys, try it out. So next thing we are gonna make is DIY lip peel off. For this you need a face peel off mask or something like that, which is again easily available. To that add a little bit of food color, like as per the desired color you need, and just mix it up really well. You can again apply this with Q-tip, and you'll have to wait almost like 20 minutes to dry, and then after that just peel off. You can see a very good tint on your lips, but let me tell you guys, it will make your lips really dry. So dry lips people, it's better to stay away from it, else you can definitely give it a try and see how it turns out for you. So that's it guys. So now we are gonna make a DIY lip balm. For this you need to double boil the Vaseline so that the Vaseline melts. For that you need to place a container with water which boils really well. Place another container with Vaseline in it. So when after a while, after 5 minutes, the Vaseline completely melts and comes to this liquid form. To that add half tablespoon of olive oil and just give it a very good mix. Now for the fragrance, you can add 1 to 2 drops of vanilla essence and again mix it really well. So now for giving it a tint of color, you can add food color, but let me tell you guys, the food color didn't work well for me because it didn't mix it up really well. I think it's because the food color was in powder form, not in liquid form, but the end result was pretty good. I will just show you how it turns out when I add lipstick. It's always better to add lipstick, it seems, because lipstick did dissolve in it really well, unlike food color. But as I told you, the end result was pretty good. It did give a very good tint to my lips with the food color, so that's the reason I'm showing it to you guys. Now I will be pouring this to a empty container. Like this is an old like compact powder one which has got over, so I just cleansed it really well and just pour it to it, and that's it guys. You need not even refrigerate it, it will be set. So thanks a lot for watching. Please do subscribe to this channel if you have liked this video. Bye.